Hi Patreons. Well, I was hoping for a much nicer video, but we're not going to get that, so you're going to get this. But hey, it's just for you guys. What we've got here, as you already know by some pictures, is a Metro 6R4 body kit. It's huge. It's surprising how big the car is. Yeah, how big the Metros are. So what we've got is we've got 3 wheel arches. We've got 1, 2 passenger sides, and we've got a driver's side. We've got 1 skirt, which I think is either passenger side, or it could be the other side, obviously. 1 front passenger wing. And the bit that I do love, although, is the bonnet, which I actually do love the tailgate, really. I love it all once it all goes together. So it's not a full kit. But yeah, it's been a future project of mine. I've always wanted to build one. We're not going to just suddenly get on with it. We're going to put this stuff away, hibernate it, see what crops up. Maybe next year. We've got to do the giveaway car first, really. But yeah, as I said, day after I got these, someone then offered me a whole Metro and body kit, which I can't really afford at the moment. Somebody else is going to go view it tonight, so I'm hoping they're going to buy it, because I really don't want the choice of sleeping in a house or sleeping in a Metro 6R4. Yeah, they're not perfect, that's for sure. They're a bit rough around the edges, but it's just something to play with. It's something that spares on the shelf. I've always wanted to do it, as I said. It's just a start, isn't it? You know, I might not ever use any of these panels. You can see they're all broken and cracked. I actually got in touch with a local company supposedly. I bought these up in Liverpool, but actually it was a local kiddie from a garage that used to drive his Metro. I don't know if it was actually a 6R4. I don't know if he just put the body kit on there to make it try and go faster. Yeah, all good.